Okay, I'm Leon. The photographer is Lily. That's Pip. Pip, say hi to the camera. Pip. What are you saying? Oh, hello, camera. Okay, and we're going on a nature walk to find animals. Whoa! So let's go. Get out, you Jumbo. Hey, you little. Okay, let's go. Look at my horses. What are you thinking? Come. Oh, look. Get close up on this. I'm going to build a fort. And nobody can get me. Keep it moving. We're going too slow. You finished now? No. Are you finished now? No. And it goes. No! 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 Keep it moving. We're looking for animals. Not trying to build. It's an animal trap. What? Oh my God! What is that? What seat is that? Oh my God! It's a shopping cart. Holy schnitzels! Holy shit! Okay, I'm taking the jungle. Sorry. Let's take it home with us. But wait, it wasn't here this morning or yesterday, which means maybe it was brought here by aliens. Let's see. Any alien signs? No. Look at this! That's a stick. But is there really a stick? Are you sure that's a tracking device? Well, I guess it's better than animals. Is Tuesday morning a shop? Probably. No, it's the aliens' headquarters. I wonder if they speak English. Aliens! Aliens! Okay, now stop.